In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front sway bar link on your Ford Taurus. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we'll take off our lug nuts. Make sure you keep a hand on it for that last one. Our sway bar link is stuck from rust, so we're going to heat it up and remove the nut. All right, so I'm going to use an 18mm ratchet wrench. Hopefully you didn't have to heat up your sway bar link, but if you did, now you can detach that and get your other one on the other side. So using an 18mm socket, we're going to disconnect the top part of the sway bar link. Looks like we have it spinning, so I'm going to use locking pliers on the other end just to hold the inside still as I get this nut off. All right, so this has given us quite a trouble getting off, so I had to heat it up. And now I'm just holding it on the back side with some locking pliers and using my air gun on it. It's inching off slowly. Hopefully you don't have this trouble at home. Okay, it's off. It's just so hot that I can't touch it. So I'm going to leave it there and let it cool off. All right, so I'm going to use a rag to get this nut off because it's on fire. I'm going to put that on the ground. And now we can take out our sway bar link. All right, so now we're going to install our sway bar link. I'm going to feed it up through. You might have to move your stud part a little bit to get it to line up right. Now you can get your nut started. I'm going to use an 18mm ratchet wrench for my nut and a 5mm Allen head for the inside of the bolt. And we're going to tighten down our sway bar link end on this side. You can insert the other end if you want. You can just wait till later. I'm just going to anchor mine down by pushing it through the hole. Keeps it more stable. So we're holding our stud pot still and using our ratchet wrench to tighten it up. All right, so now you can torque this to 59 foot-pounds. We're going to put our sway bar link into the strut bracket. Now you can put the nut on. You're going to need a Allen head, size 5mm, to go inside the stud of the sway bar link, and I'm going to use an 18mm ratchet wrench for the nut. We're going to torque this to 66 foot-pounds. Make sure you put them on hand tight first, and you're going to tighten them in a star-like pattern using a 19mm socket. I usually do the bottom one first. Walk the wheel on. Snug them up, and then we're going to be torquing them. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 95 foot-pounds. We're going to do it in a star-like pattern. I'm going to check it one more time, go all the way around. And we're good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.